Welcome traders, and in this video I'm going to show you how to journal your analysis. So it's obviously important to journal your analysis both technically and on a risk management basis. It's important to do this so we can identify what our trading patterns are, what certain things are going wrong, what's going right, and then obviously make adjustments and try to repeat the better trades that we actually make on our trading account. Now we're going to have obviously pre-trade routines, routines whilst we're in the trade, and then also post-trade routines. And you want to try and create these routines where we're actually journaling our work and basically explaining what went wrong, what went right, and what happened in the trade. So when it comes to actually journaling your technical analysis, it's good to actually create folders, individual folders for each currency pair that you manage. Now you should only really be managing a few currency pairs anyway, but having, select say 3 to 6 folders for your different select currency pairs, and then being able to constantly be updating that folder, plotting in new analysis, new chart workings, and basically explain what happened with your long-term viewpoint on as and when you go. On TradingView you can actually just create a text tool and you can actually input text onto the chart directly. And then you can enter information into this box. It will come up on the chart, and then obviously you can document it that way, or you can put it into Word documents. But I found that actually creating folders on your computer and actually applying the text to the actual chart itself, with the time frame, currency pair all included, then that basically clearly breaks down exactly what happened or what you were thinking on a technical basis at that moment in time. Now that brings me on to the risk journaling part, or the trade documentation part. Now many softwares are going to do this for you, such as MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or MyFXBook if you actually plug into your account into that online platform. Ultimately, we've created a journal sheet where you can actually log all of your trades, the symbols, the lot sizes, where you placed your stops, where you placed your take profits, whether it was a win, a loss, and what was the outcome. Was it a gain or was it a loss, and what percent, and also the amount that was actually won or lost on that trade. Now it's also a good idea to update your emotions and thoughts on exactly how you basically what you was experiencing during the time of that actual trading setup. Again, you can do this pre-trade, post-trade, and during the trade. So just comment on basically what happened, maybe perhaps do a daily analysis of your P&L, just roughly, and then you can correlate that with the emotions or the thoughts that you were thinking, and you can be very genuine and honest with yourself. And by doing this, you're only going to thank yourself later down the road when it 2, 3, 4 months down the line, you can look back at all of your work, and then you can be quite proud of the success that you've had, and also look at what you can improve for the future. So overall, it doesn't really matter which trading plan you use, which trading system. You may actually combine trading plans that you find online, different strategies. Perhaps you want to be more of an all-round trader and mixed trader, do some day trading as well as hold some trades long term. That's all fine, whatever correlates and works with you, and the amount of time that you're inputting to trading is fantastic. But you ultimately need to make sure that you're journaling and you're documenting all this progress, all the failures, all the wins, in order to improve yourself as a trader as you go, and that way you're going to benefit long term, and you're going to formulate your own trading style, which is going to help you long term in order to actually win in this game. And one final mention on this video, you can also use TradingView, the social side to TradingView. Obviously you can create your own profile, you don't even have to have it public, you can have it private, and it is a good way to actually document your work as you go along, and you can review your trades week by week on exactly what you were thinking. It's quite an easy way to actually view the analysis because you can look at what you was thinking long, short. You can actually write descriptions, captions, link ideas to other ideas so that you can actually update charts down the road. And also the actual platform itself is quite good in terms of getting feedback of other traders. We do recommend you use the technical charting tools and any trading tools, and you remain in your own lane so you don't get shifted viewpoints. You want to maintain your own trading bias throughout all of your trades, rather than copying other people or getting led down wrong pathways. You want to make sure that you're always taking your own losses, taking your own wins, so that you know exactly where you're heading. So TradingView is a good tool to actually learn from your mistakes and also document your journey as well. Okay, so that's all for now. That's all for the journaling side of trading. We will dive into this deeper. We may actually provide examples on the website and also provide some templates for you to use as well. So be sure to stay tuned for more blogs to come, and trade safe.